Now, your weather on the 3s.
Well, good Monday morning, everyone. We might not have been able to break into our top 5 list over the weekend due to the extra cloud cover keeping temperatures in the 80s. But look at Friday's temperature, our high temperature of 95 degrees. That tied the old record. And we're not done with the 90s just yet. We have a few more days of pushing into the low to mid 90s, all ahead of a cooling cold front, which will eventually arrive on Wednesday, cooling our temperatures back into the lower 80s as we head towards the end of the week. So really our week is broken up into 2 parts. The hot and humid summer-like temperatures over the next 3 days, and then the spring-like temperatures will end out the week with. But as of right now, still keeping a little bit of that cloud cover around. We have this stalled front that's been sitting just to our north across some parts of the southeast. That's been allowing that cloud cover just to extend into our region, which is why over the weekend we saw that increase in cloud cover. Same thing for today, but we are also looking at a few rain showers that could fire up along that cluster of rain traveling across that stalled and cold front as we head into the second half of your Monday. Though for today, the main focus once again being on the heat and the humidity. Our temperatures will climb quickly from the 70s this morning into the mid 60s by 12 o'clock. And then our high temperatures for most of the area are back into the low to mid 90s, like 90 degrees for your high today here in Savannah, 93 degrees in Pembroke, and 94 degrees in Hinesville. And just like over the weekend, our feel-like temperatures once again feeling very summer-like throughout the afternoon hours, back into the low to mid 90s for highs, mid 90s to upper 90s, possibly some areas pushing into the triple digits for those feel-like temperatures later on today. So still feeling like summer out there with temperatures in the low 90s. Now the good news is with that cooling cold front, it will drop our humidity levels as well by Thursday. So for today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, looking at those muggy conditions continuing. Then by Thursday, we're looking at those dew points that finally drop off, a nice and dry forecast as we head towards the end of the week that will also continue into this weekend. So overall for today, there's that stalled front just draped right to our north. Then as we head into the day tomorrow, still keeping that southwesterly wind around, 94 degrees is our high. There's that cooling cold front. It arrives throughout the afternoon hours on Wednesday, bringing with it 1 or 2 straight rain showers along it, with temperatures in 90s ahead of it and then back into the 80s behind it. So those 80s are going to feel quite refreshing after how hot and how humid it has been over the last few days. And the good news is we'll stay in the 90s as we head into this Memorial Day weekend, looking at temperatures right around average in the low 80s at 83 degrees Saturday to 85 degrees on Sunday.
WSAV Time Saver